Did you know that there are over 2,000 stars nearby from where aliens could be watching us right now? In fact, a new study has just been released saying aliens could spot our planet as it passes in front of the sun. Now, if there are aliens living on other planets around those stars, they would be able to see us. They even could have been observing us while we're increasing our carbon footprint in our atmosphere over the past several hundred years, that is, since the Industrial Revolution began, and with it, all of our problems. Watch this video to find out if there's any chance we can spot those aliens back. I'm Majed Taifour, but you can call me Michael, and this is my COACHE Academy YouTube channel. I'm a certified personal life coach by trade, and my job is to get you to where you want to be. If you're looking for change, I'm your guy. Call me or email me anytime. Now let's get on with this amazing video.
Now, we have a new way to search for extraterrestrial life. According to Lisa Kaltenegger, an astronomer at Cornell University in Ithaca, New York, who led the study, the big question is, who has the front cosmic seat to see us, for whom we would be the aliens? Published in Nature magazine, the study says those aliens would be the natural choice for Earthlings to look for. And the reason is, they may have already had a chance to spot us. So, they may be ready to communicate with us. In fact, they may have all eyes on us. This is not the first time this possibility has been considered. Other astronomers have contemplated it too. So, what's so special about today's finding?
Feeling sad, depressed, anxious, and lonely? Let me help you. Call me now or email me at michael@coachacademy.com.
Well, for the first time, astronomers consider the movement of stars over time. Stars can slide in or out of a narrow slice of the sky that happens to line up with both Earth and the Sun. With this in mind, today's scientists were able to predict where Earth was visible from over the past 5,000 years or so of human civilization. They also predicted where it will be visible in another 5,000 years into the future. In doing so, the study expands astronomers' thinking about which stars have a better than average shot of discovering our planet Earth, says Sophia Sheikh, an astrobiologist at the Berkeley SETI Research Center in California. The discovery was made possible by the European Space Agency's Gaia Space Observatory, which has compiled the best 3D map of those stars so far. By looking at that map, scientists were able to see which stars have been or will be in a position where Earth briefly moves between them and the Sun. So far, the best map of our Milky Way reveals 1 billion stars in motion. Of the more than 330,000 stars in the Gaia catalogue that are within 100 parsecs of Earth, only 2,043 happen to have the perfect viewing of us. A parsec, by the way, is equal to 3.2 light-years or 206,000 astronomical units. In simple terms, it's 30 trillion kilometers. Of those, 1,715 are in the right locations to have spotted us in the past 5,000 years, and an additional 319 will have vantage points in the next 5,000 years, when all eyes could be on us. 7 of the 2,034 are already known to host planets. But many more are likely to have worlds orbiting them, some of which may be suitable for life.
The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Get your dedicated personal life coach now. Call me or email me at michael@coachacademy.com.
The method for spying on Earth from elsewhere in the galaxy is the same one astronomers used to discover thousands of exoplanets. They did so by detecting the light of a distant star dimming slightly as an orbiting planet passes across its face. So, is it possible that we may have been or will ever be alien targets? According to this study, the answer is yes. Astronomers searching for extraterrestrial life can now focus on stars and planets that have a view of Earth and thus might already expect to hear from us. It's like saying, the hunting is good if you already know where the prey is. Of those stars, the scientists further identified 75 that are close enough, within 30 parsecs, for radio waves from Earth to already have washed over them since humans started to produce them. Those might be particularly good targets because aliens there could have both seen and heard us by now. But other stars assume new prominence too. For instance, astronomers know of 7 Earth-sized planets orbiting a star known by the name TRAPPIST-1, which is 12 parsecs from Earth or 360 trillion kilometers away. This star will move into a position to see Earth as a transiting planet in the year 3663. By that time, future civilizations could signal their existence by constructing artificial megastructures that pass in front of their stars, briefly dimming their light in a characteristic way. Perhaps, some say, humanity should plan as of now for when eyes from these stars might be cast in our direction. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I've left you a couple of notes in the description below as to how to get in touch with me for my transcendental re-engineering based life coaching technique. I look forward to hearing from you.